Hey besties, welcome to another wonderful video. It's Anike Stitches here, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to stitch this keyhole neckline without using bias or any other fabric to finish the neckline, thereby giving it a neat and professional look. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching and let's get into it. Here I've gone ahead to pin my fabric and the lining together, and now I'm just going to give it a good stitch around the keyhole. I'm just going to sew it not too wide so that it will be easy to turn. And while sewing the edges, make sure you are giving it a sharp turn so that it will give you that shape after turning. Now we are done with the first step of sewing, and make sure you cut the threads after sewing so that your work will be neat. Now I'm just going to notch it round, and at the edges I'm going to notch it well so that when I turn it, it's going to give me that sharp shape. And be careful while notching so that you don't cut through the stitch. So now I'm done with the notching, and I'm just going to remove the pin I used to secure my fabric and the lining together. Now the next thing is to pass your lining through the keyhole. That means you are turning it to the right side. Just keep watching and you'll understand. So for the neck, I had initially gone ahead to stitch it round for the neckline. Then I had to lose it back because I now realized I won't be able to turn the keyhole if the neck is stitched, so I had to lose it. You can see the edges, it's very sharp and it's not bringing out a curve shape. Now we are going to go to the stitching of the neckline. Here you have to watch closely so you can understand what I'm doing here. Now on one side of the shoulder, you are going to hold the fabric and the lining, the right side facing each other, and you are going to pin it down to the center of the neckline. Here you just have to be careful while pulling the fabric so that the fabric doesn't stretch. So now I'm done with the first part, and I'm just going to stitch it down to the top. After that, I'm just going to remove the pins and turn it to the right side. You can see how neat is looking after turning it. So I'm just going to do the same for the other side. I'm just going to turn the right side and right side facing each other, and I'm going to pin it down also to where I started from the center of the neckline. Now this is the reason why I notch the neckline. You can see it's going to make me know whether what I'm pinning is right or not. You can see the notches are aligning. Now that I'm done with the pinning, I'm just going to go ahead and continue the stitch. I'm going to start from the center of the neckline back to the edge. And now our neckline is ready. This is easy. You just have to take your time and you have to be very careful, and it's going to give you the neat finished look you want. You can see there is no need for bias. You just have to take your time and it's going to come out very neat. That will be all for today's tutorial. See you in my next one, and please do also subscribe to my channel. Bye.